Join us for a few. It's episode 122.
Welcome. So we got some interesting stuff tonight.
Yeah.
We really do. So Chris is going to walk you through his new four-wheel drive unlimited drag build.
Yes.
We are going to unbox the new Element RC Trail Runner.
Oh.
And we're also going to go and do some Grudge racing. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
On tonight's episode, we're going to talk about the brand new TRX4 Trax. What else we got, Chris?
I got no clue.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Do it again.
Everything's all done, pre-wired, nice and clean, so you don't have to worry.
There, the kit's all in the back. I've noticed that Element did release hard housings for the axles, so you can replace the softer plastic ones.
I noticed like everything, and you showed me this when you were building it.
You gotta put your shorts on and go in the front of the hood there. Lift the body right quick. Bam, bam, bam.
Oh no! Walter hit the floor.
It's only Hicks' car and Mike.
That's all, folks. Thanks for doing it.
You're on. That's all, folks. I guess it's that's all, folks.
I feel like you were gonna say bad to the bone.
We'll be right back.
So what are you working on here, Chris? This is the new four-wheel drive unlimited build.
Yeah, so I started this the other day. I actually picked up a 4x4 brushed rustler roller. So that's how this thing started. I bought this body for my DR10, but it was much too wide for the DR10. So I bought the rustler. Now, the only problem with this body is it is fairly narrow in the front still to fit a 4x4 slash and have the big front tires in it. Yep. So I am running the rally front arms in it, and I'm going to throw the toe links and camber links in next.
As you can see, it has a little bit of speed angle.
Exactly,
speed angle.
But I've almost completely torn the whole truck apart. I've got to change the rear diff in it still. Hobbywing Max 10, 3660, 3200 kV motor. So that's
5mm shaft on that baby, too.
4-cell, boys.
Ooh,
so just
Billy.
I got Team Associated slicks on the front and the rear. Yeah.
Yeah, so we've noticed with the Team Associated slicks, we did talk about this in the old DR10 unboxing that we did like 4 or 5 episodes ago, that these new tires are actually quite a significant amount softer than what you get with the Proline Hoosiers. And the biggest reason why is these have an open cell foam, so it doesn't hold its shape as well, and it will actually kind of hunker down and grip a lot better on a cooler
And they don't
surface.
balloon too bad, which I've noticed, so it's been pretty nice.
Yeah, I was worried because they do feel quite a bit thinner than what the carcass on the Hoosier does feel like. But I mean, it's definitely not as bad as Reaction HP as well.
Exactly, yeah.
So what's all changed? You said it was a Rustler, so obviously we did a Slash 4x4 LCG chassis.
Yeah, along with the front bulkhead from the Slash needs to be changed as well.
Correct.
I put the Slash body mounts on, body posts on. I had to change the ring and pinion for the front and rear because this is going brushless, and it was a brushed. So a lot smaller gears than that brushed guy.
And the biggest thing is they're geared for a lot more torque than overall top speed.
Yes. Yeah.
So if you're building a brushless Slash Rustler Stampede and you started with a brush truck and you kind of were like, well, my buddy has a VXL and it's faster with the exact same stuff, got to change your ring and pinion.
Technically, right now, this has a VXL front ring and pinion and a brushed rear.
So it's overdriven.
It was overdriven in the front. So that might actually work out all right, you know?
Yeah, maybe not bad, actually.
Yeah, like it's gonna pull like a dump truck, man.
She's gonna send.
Yeah.
But I'm excited to watch this build.
Yeah.
Obviously, the next thing up is painting the old J-Concept C10 shell.
Yeah.
But other than that, we'll keep you updated on this build on future episodes. And if you check out our Facebook page and check out RC Deebs, that is an awesome platform to keep up on all these awesome builds.
Exactly.
So let's get into the next thing. Let's do the Element RC Trail Runner unboxing.
The Grudge match. SC5M. We got a Chuckworks Slash, DR10, and a 4-wheel drive Slash. DR10, SE5M, poor Slash, and Matt just wanted to give him a chance. That car is rank. We're running on 3X.
Alright, man, I'll take you on.
Oh, here we go. Grudge match. 4-wheel drive versus 2-wheel drive versus 2-wheel drive.
There, count it.
2 on go.
On it.
There you go.
Fast, dude. That wasn't ready. Good job.
Was that Pro Stock tree? Is that what they call it?
Ready.
Pro Stock tree? Our first fatality, a Ford DR10, took off like a shot, and then it did that. You just did a short wheelbase mod. That's all. Oh Lord. Yeah, that's what, 60-70K into a curb? Yep. Didn't fare well. Womp womp. One down. So Sean has the Rustler, or Rustler, I got Rustler on mine, slash 2-wheel drive with Bandit control arms to get the width correct to run the J Concepts 91 Fox body Mustang. And he had to paint it purple, so I mean it looks pretty slick. And he's gonna try the old Traxxas Anacondas. What are you running for motor and speed control in this beast?
Castle 4600.
4600 SV3?
SV3, yep.
Not bad. So you don't need anything crazy. I mean, that's a pretty wicked car. A lot of tunability on the Castle as well, so that's a win. So let's go over here. Oh my Lanta! So he was the fast guy last week. He was the fast guy. He was the old drag raptor. We got a Porsche body from Delta Plastics. Delta. So this is probably one of the whizzier cars. He is running the Chuckworks chassis, which converts your slash 2-wheel drive rear motor to a mid-motor car. This is pretty neat. Chris's car is toasting. Obviously you can see Chris has the new Associated DR10 with the XR8 SET and a 6.5 turn? 6.5 turn. Mitch is working over there with his DR10. There's Hicks's car. Again, he has slash LCG. He started out with a Bandit, so he has Bandit arms, got all the good VXL stuff, so all the adjustable camber links, tie rods, all that good stuff. He's running he's not Bandit. He's slash width in the rear. He's running the Proline Octane body. You got, hi, Aaron. It's the other Aaron. Hi, Aaron. Nice to see you again, Aaron. So he's got a SE5M that has been a little bit modified. He's got some whizzy stuff going on in the front end to make the Octane body fit correctly.
Not right now.
Not right now? Because it's all broken.
Yeah,
Dang.
So this was just stock front end, and I'm having cutting fenders on.
Cutting fenders. Oh, there's one way to fix that. Get the old die grinder out, do be meant.
Yeah, that's right.
This is Chris's new bad boy. Yeah, that thing's just a snake. Just ridiculous. Dang! That car took off like a shot, dude. Oh no! Oh, they're gonna start fixing. This is a new 4-wheel drive car we got. It has the Proline Trail Boss body on a 4-wheel drive slash. Max 10 SET with a 3200 kV motor. Alright? Yeah! There we go.
That's it.
That's the end.
Thanks for joining us today.
But before we say goodbye,
Yeah.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications on when we drop new videos. Don't forget to check him out on his social media platform, RC Deebs, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube.
Indeed.
Don't forget to hit the store up on all our social media platforms. So Facebook or YouTube. So obviously you're watching the show on one of the two platforms. Don't forget to hit us up on Snapchat as well as Instagram as well.
Yeah.
We're always doing stuff on builds, things like that.
And make sure you check us out live on Thursdays on Facebook for our Live in the Somewhere shortly after 6.
Yep, what he said. And we're going to leave you with a question. Do you think that more companies in the crawler industry need to release independent front suspension crawlers?
You know what? I think it'd be pretty neat. Personally, I'd love to see an IFS system from Traxxas for the 2X4. I think it looked pretty cool.
But we want to hear your input.
Yeah, what
so
do you think?
throw that comment down below. But until next time.
I'm gonna scale a little up with ball joints.
Till next time, we're gonna leave you with small upper ball joints, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Joint.